Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I bring you how to make a coconut sandwich, which is very easy to make. You can make it in 5 minutes and it's very good in taste, so you can must try this recipe. For that we need a shredded coconut. I'm using a frozen coconut, but you can also use a fresh coconut which you can shred at home. For the frozen coconut, you need to thaw the coconut at the room temperature, or you can also do the defrost in the microwave. So once the coconut is thawed, you can mix it well. If you find some chunks of the outer shell of the coconut, you can take that out. Now mix it well and ensure that all the coconut should be at the room temperature. Then we need some ginger to add into the sandwich. We also need a sour cream, or you can also use curd or yogurt. If you are using a curd or the yogurt, you need to ensure that you put the curd or yogurt in a strainer and take out the excess water from it. So we need to have a thick yogurt and curd to add into the sandwich. Then we need salt to taste. We also need black pepper. This is also depends upon your taste, how much you want in the sandwich. Now in the grated coconut, we are going to shred some ginger into it. Then add salt to taste. Then add black pepper to taste. Then add 3 tablespoons of sour cream into it. Mix it well. While making a filling, you need to ensure that the coconut and the sour cream should be mixed so properly, and it should end up with the creamy mixture so that it can set into the sandwich. So while mixing it into the coconut, if you think that it requires more sour cream, so then you can add according to that. So now our filling for the sandwich is ready. Now take 2 slices of bread. I'm using a brown bread. You can take white bread, any bread of your own choice. Add the coconut filling onto the 1 slice of bread. When I am adding the filling, I ensure all the sides are covered properly. So with every bite, we should have a coconut or filling taste into it. Now cover with another slice of bread. Now prepare the another sandwiches. So as I mentioned you before, with this material you can make 3 sandwiches. So I'm preparing all the 3 sandwiches. Now for the tadka, which is a final touch to make the sandwich, we need some curry leaves. I always freeze my curry leaves, that's why I look like this. Then we need a mustard seeds. Now take a pan, add butter or oil onto the pan. You just need to add only a little bit, so that we can just cook mustard seeds and the curry leaves. So I am adding mustard seeds first, then I am adding 3 to 4 curry leaves. Once we start having a cracking sounds of the mustard seeds, it means our tadka is ready. Then I will add the sandwich. and cook from both the sides until the sandwich turn into a golden brown. The flavor of this sandwich would come with the coconut, mustard seeds, curry leaves. It's so good in taste and it's different from other sandwiches. And you can prepare this in 5 minutes. And you can also take to your work or give to your kids at school. So it's very easy to make and is very good in taste. So once the sandwich is brown from both ends, our sandwich is ready. So similarly, I will make my other 2 sandwiches as well. So my all 3 sandwiches are ready. Now I will show you by cutting from the middle of the sandwich. You can serve as it is, or you can cut into triangular halves. Which is easy to eat and well presentable. This is how our sandwich look from the inside. So try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this easy breakfast recipe, the coconut sandwiches. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos.